Ito rin ma'am, may napabalita in 2011, two former household workers who lodged a complaint of serious physical injury against Maricel Soriano stated that they decided to flee from the actress condominium unit also because of her alleged cocaine use. Ano po masasabi mo dito sa balita na ito?
Hindi po totoo yan.
Hindi totoo.
Hindi po.
Thank you. I just want to get your answer para to set the record straight.
Yes po.
So hindi totoo yon.
Hindi po.
Pero totoo na meron kayong dalawang katulong sa bahay na dalawa na umalis,
Opo, kasi ninakawan po nila ako.
ninakawan kanila. Totoo na binugbog mo sila o hindi?
Paano ko naman po bububugin? Dalawa po sila.
Okay. I'm just confirming the report, the
Okay.
news report. Thank you po ma'am. Maraming salamat.